Hey guys, this is a video of me building a hunting blind and mounting it up on top of the hill with a skid steer. So here's a picture of the floor, pretty much a 4x8 sheet of plywood that I used. Used some 2-inch screws to put it on there. Here's the first wall that I built on the floor, got it mounted. And then this one is a chair to kind of see where my windows need to be. The side view. And got the other end on. Got all the windows in pretty much. Got the old door on from the house. So a buddy of mine had some paneling, so I scooped that up. Gonna use it for the outside instead of plywood because wood's expensive these days. Side view with the paneling on. Trimming out the windows. Finally got it outside. It almost didn't fit through the door. Got the braces on the bottom, the elevator brackets. Me painting it. Painted it green. Just found some return paint at the Home Depot. Got it on the skid steer. I'm gonna try to mount it here. Yeah, so this was somewhat of a challenge. It wasn't hard. Just had to make sure it wasn't gonna fall or anything. So essentially, I lifted it up, and then my buddy put the post on the bottom. You notice here in a second that one of the posts falls out, so we had to put a couple screws in it so it wouldn't fall out. Those were 12-foot posts. We ended up having to cut them down to about 11, I believe. The skid steer just wasn't able to lift it up that high. My intention was to put the 12-footers on the side you see and then kind of push it up, but I was afraid that it was going to fall over, so we nixed that idea pretty fast. Just cut them to about 12 foot. I'm sorry, about 11 foot. Yeah, you see me getting a chainsaw out and cutting them down. Yeah, again, it wasn't too hard. You just had to make sure that it wasn't going to fall and destroy everything. But what I did not show is me putting the support brackets or the bracing from 4x4 to 4x4. That was done, I believe, on a separate day, but you'll see an end picture of the bracing. So there's the day we got to mount it, and here's a couple days later with the new steps in.